We are retired to ride, and we're out and about in the south of Spain.
We're off on another adventure. Today we're going to a classic bike meeting at a racetrack in the desert, and we're going away for 3 days.
A quick map to show you the first part of the route today, and then we're off heading west on the 332. It's a cloudy morning with the promise of sun at lunchtime. Temperatures now around about 13 degrees. And that little warning sign, along with the fresh cut verge, indicates to us that the verge clearance team is out on the road today. Our first stop of the day will be at a Belgian cafe in Garrucha, and I'm pretty sure they've got cake. We are 3 bikes, all Hondas, and 4 riders today. So there's myself, JR, there's Brenda the Honey Badger, our executive camera operator on the back of our bike, and our friends Guy and Karine. One of the reasons for making this trip is that Guy's brother, Paul, will be on track at the event with his 2 V4 Hondas. The full racetrack experience is something that Brenda the Honey Badger and myself have never encountered. So this facet of motorcycling, we're very interested to know more about. Over the next few days, we are hoping to get into the pit garages and actually interact with some of the riders. As a rule, bikers of any genre are a very friendly bunch of people, and I always think under the ethos of 2 wheels, 1 love. It doesn't seem to matter what type of rider you are or what type of bike you ride. Motorcyclists tend to talk to each other and interact about their shared passion for 2 wheels. It was only 1 week ago that Guy and myself helped out a downed rider on a bend just up here, which I'm going to point out to you. His bike, a Ducati, was rammed underneath that yellow gate, and we managed to pull it out. Luckily, he wasn't harmed in any way. I have to admit this road is a bit notorious for accidents. Anyway, time for some rock music. Now it's a little piece of coast road heading into San Juan de los Terreros. We are heading towards Vera Playas and Garrucha for our first stop of the day, which will be at a Belgian cafe. And none of us has had breakfast, so I suppose it's a breakfast, brunch, lunch, all rolled into one. There always seems to be some sort of construction work going on in Vera Playas. Holiday apartments and houses usually. This area coming up on the right now is a wildlife reserve for migrating birds, including flamingos. Time for coffee and breakfast.
We need it.
Oh, glass of water, one cup of the share and one slice of bread, please.
Parked up now outside one of our favourite cafes. This is always a good experience here. Lovely people, lovely food.
Martino.
That's a proper breakfast.
And it's lovely.
Chicken curry.
Of course, I have to go inside and look in the cake cabinet. Chocolate cake I can see. Most of the other stuff's already gone. But when I take my cake back, there's 3 cake burglars at my table. Luckily, I managed to save my piece of cake and enjoy it. And then we're off again. So, here's a little map of the next section all the way to the racetrack, and we're heading now towards Sorbas. The sun is now shining, temperature round about 15 degrees. Ahead of us lays a really good bit of open road. And we're aiming to get to the racetrack sometime late afternoon at the end of the practice sessions of the day and meet up with Paul. Our understanding is that over 200 riders from Belgium have made the trek to the racetrack for this event. That doesn't include other nationalities that are also arriving. As usual for us, it's a take it easy and relax kind of ride. The next town we're going to pass through on this road is Sorbas, famously known as Cuenca Chica, small Cuenca, for its hanging houses built along the edge of a ravine. And it's also a protected natural area with over 1,000 gypsum caves. Big thank you to Brenda the honey badger for her camera work today. And also to MT Helmets, who we're collaborating with now. More about that in future videos. Hopefully soon we're going to be trying some new gear from them. Taking it very easy as we come into and out of Sorbas. It is a known traffic speed trap area. Making our way through and out the other end of Sorbas, our next point of call is the Route 66 Tabernas American Bar for a cold drink. And here we are, looking forward to this, jumping off the bikes, but unfortunately, Karine has a problem getting off her bike because of the backpack behind her. But it's all very amusing.
Yeah.
Again. And again.
Time to sit in the sunshine and enjoy a cold one. Next stop will be Tabernas, and we're going to go and check into the hotel. The desert town of Tabernas seems to be famous for two things, one being the 11th century castle, and the other one that it was and is Europe's premier mini Hollywood, notably from the making of 1960s and 70s spaghetti westerns and major blockbusters. We're now going to check into our accommodation, which I thought was a hotel, but it's not. It's this place above a tobacconist, would you believe? Very nice, very clean, very functional. So we drop our gear off and head towards the racetrack to go and meet up with Paul. Late afternoon, and we meet and greet with Paul and take a look at these wonderful V4 Hondas. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then he's off on one of the last sessions of the day. We get ourselves up onto a viewing balcony and can see what an impressive location it is for a racetrack. It's beautiful, isn't it? Tomorrow we will spend a full day at the track. But right now, the temperature's dropping significantly, so we make our way back to the hotel and go out for something to eat, wrapped up warm. And while we were there, a processionary Easter procession band came past. That was an interesting end to our first day desert racetrack experience. We hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you'll come back and watch another video soon.